Good morning, everybody. Kelly from Kelly Reviews here, also known as your Cass Kelly debut psychological thriller author. Now, today I'm going to mention 3 different programs. One being, if you're a DoorDasher, that would be my program, which would be my DoorDash weekly tracker. Every week it goes into a new database, and you can easily. My weekly goal is about $200, depending upon where you are. If you do DoorDash, that is. My weekly goal, I can set that. Total earnings, financial summary, etc. And then right here is the graph of what I'm doing. And then for, starting the work week, total earnings, gas expenses, maintenance, other expenses, etc. And now my book library. I like to read a lot. I write. And I also have AI help me write a lot as well. Basically a home library management system. See, this is my home library management system. On the top you can do genres, etc. And it's all, see? It did all that. Clear. Everything clears out. And there we go, all genres. And then location, living room. So I'm not even close to being done yet. There's a lot of books, including books on Kindle. For instance, Kindle books. I only have 2 Kindle books on here. Now it also works with random. Like, for instance, what does random do right here? Random gives me any book at random and tells me where it's at. It's in the bedroom. So clear. And then if I'm looking for any type of book, like for instance, I am a debut psychological thriller writer. So I'm going to type myself in here, as in Cass Kelly. There we go, Cass Kelly. And then search online. It's searching, see? Searching books for Cass Kelly. 10 results found. This isn't me, but this is me right here. This isn't me, and this is me. This is my 3rd book, and this is my 1st book. And then finally, we're going to be looking at movies. Who doesn't like watching movies, right? And I've got a great collection, whether they be DVD or on Prime that I bought. Hold on one second. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention to you guys is this. For instance, if you're looking for how to update your code and stuff, it would be right here. So go to developer, press Alt F11, I believe it is. Go into Visual Basic, go into modules, and then from there, then we're gonna go into, and this is all the code. Now, if you want me to share, guys, let me know in the comments when you watch this. I'd be more than happy to share the code with you. The one thing I will tell you also, but this is with another one. So I wanted to see whether or not if I could make it Excel where you could just open up the user form without actually you opening up the Excel program. So on to the last one, which would be our movies. There we go. And here is our movies. I asked ChatGPT whether, to illustrate something for me, and they did. So what I did is I added it to Claude, which is my AI, and through many trials and errors, I put all this together. Yes. And now, if you didn't notice, I'll show you again, but if you didn't notice, they're on the top left, I'll show you. On the top left, right there, see? And the bottom left is where you add movies. Wondering why I have something saying add movie or add movie manually. Well, see, here's the beginning of the code. So, everything is done on the format. In other words, I wanted it to be where I'm using Excel, whether it's using a user form or I'm using the interface through Excel, and I did both. So ultimately, it is allowing me to add, like through a database online, and if it doesn't have, the database doesn't have that movie, then you add it manually. If you want to learn more or know more about coding, I will share the code with you, but let me know if you want it or not, or if it interests you or not. Put it out in the comments. Let me know that you're interested. I'd appreciate that. And regarding my book development, right now I'm on, I believe it's my 11th series that I'm working on. The series is called Route 2070, and there's a book of 3 or 4 books. Right now I'm working on the 3rd book. And if you're interested in that, go to my website, casskelly.com. Otherwise, have a great day. Stay safe.